So in this video we will talk about the topic preparation of alcohols by reduction of carbonyl compound, and we had discussed the reduction of two carbonyl compounds that are aldehyde and ketones. In this video we will talk about the reduction of carboxylic acid and ester. So reduction of carboxylic acid, we would talk about this first. Okay, so as we know that carboxylic acid is like COOH, the functional group is like this. Okay, so the general equation would be like this. If we add R alkyl group here and alkyl group, then to reduce it, reduction means adding of hydrogen. So to reduce this carboxylic acid, we should have a strong reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride and H2O. So after the reduction, what will we get here? We just replace this we should replace this oxygen along with the double bond here, and at this place we should add two hydrogens here. Okay, then we can get R C H2OH. Okay, for an example, if we take CH3 here, then the equation would be like this: the reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride and then H2O. What will we get here? We'll get CH3 after replacing this oxygen along with this double bond and adding two hydrogens here, then we can get CH2OH. So what we got here? We got ethanol, meth and eth. So we got ethanol here after the reduction of carboxylic acid. Now we will talk about the reduction of ester. Okay, the reduction of ester. So the functional group of ester is like this. For the general equation, suppose we are taking R1 here and R2 here and C double bond O and then also O here with a single bond along with the alkyl group. Okay, so next we would write here the reducing agents lithium aluminum hydride and water. Then here we will get two compounds and both will be alcohols. So the first one will be from this and the second one will be from this. So the first one will we get here, the R will get first one, that is we should write here R1, then C. We should break this double bond. Okay, and we should add one hydrogen here and one oxygen here and one hydrogen here. Actually we should add two hydrogens here. So we are adding three compounds of three atoms of hydrogen here. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and breaking the one double bond with along with the double bond which is between the carbon and oxygen. So we'll get R1CH2OH. Okay, the first one, and second one we get here R2, and after adding one hydrogen here we get R2OH. So both we are taking, these both compounds are alcohol. For example, we can write, let us say CH3R or CH3 CH2 C double bond O and then CH3. Okay, now lithium aluminum hydride and then what? So what will we get here? CH3 CH2, after breaking this double bond and adding one hydrogen here and two hydrogen here, we will get one compound from this and another compound from this. So first we will talk about the CH3 CH2 and then C, and after removing this oxygen, okay, and adding 2 hydrogen here, we will get CH2, and after removing this double bond and adding 1 hydrogen here, we will get OH here, okay. Then CH3 CH2 CH2 OH, this is the first compound we will get, and the second one we will get CH3 O, and adding 1 hydrogen we will get OH here. So CH3 OH, so we will get 2 alcohols here, okay. So this was about the reduction of carboxylic acid and the reduction of ester. I hope it's clear now. Thank you.